Hi, Creation for Cures friends. I'm Eileen and I am a volunteer with Creations for Cures. And this month we're going to do a very special art project. We're going to make handprint hearts. So I have some examples. This is the one that I made. I wrote all the things that I love on here. And then this is the one my daughter made, and she did the same thing. She put all these little things that she loves. And then my friend Mo made his. And his really kind of looks like a heart tree, doesn't it? He did a really nice job.
A tree?
Okay, so we just need a few supplies. So you need some construction paper, maybe a piece of white or any color you want. You can use brown or yellow or blue, whatever color you want. You're also going to need some crayons or markers or colored pencils, whatever you want to do. If you want to draw, we're going to have some glue. We're going to have scissors. Be careful, as always. And then just your imagination. And I also have some fun heart stickers, so I might use some heart stickers. So the first thing we're going to want to do is I'm going to want to take one of my pencils or one of my crayons, and I'm going to trace my hand on, let's see, I think I'm going to do it on this yellow piece of paper. So I want to use part of my arm too, because that's going to be part of the tree. So I'm just going to do an outline of my hand. And this is really easy to do. It doesn't have to be perfect. But you just want to get that general idea. So it sort of looks like I said, like a handprint tree. So there we go.
New hands?
Same hands.
Now I'm going to cut it out. Be very careful with your scissors. I'm just going to follow the lines. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to cut out my hand as the basic part of my tree. So be careful cutting. Okay. There we go. You can see me cutting mine. Again, it's not perfect, because the fingers are going to be like the limbs of the tree, and then your arm is the trunk. Okay, here's my tree. I'm going to put some glue on it and then glue it to my white paper. Put glue all along the fingers. Glue stick, okay. I'm going to take it, turn it over, put it right here on my white paper. Or whatever paper you picked. Be any paper you want. Alright. There's the beginning of my tree.
You too, Fluttershy.
Alright. Now I'm gonna take my scissors again, and if I have some other construction paper, and I'm gonna cut out some tiny hearts that I'm then gonna glue onto my paper. And I did that already. I have a bunch of little hearts that I've already cut out. I'm gonna glue those to my paper onto my tree like they're leaves on my hand tree. Okay, I'm gonna get my glue stick. I'm gonna start gluing these down. Okay, so I'm gonna glue on my last one. Here's my last heart. So I put a whole bunch of hearts on mine. Now what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write some of the things I love the most on my tree, on my hearts. Okay, let's see. First, I'm gonna write, let's write family. And I'm gonna write my friends. I'm gonna write, my dog Pongo. He always gets on the tree. And let's see, my health. Always love that. I love to crochet, so I'm gonna put that there. And I love music. I love the springtime. There's all sorts of things I can write on there. I also have some fun stickers, so I'm going to put some fun stickers on my tree too. Let's see.
Okay, here you go, Marshall. But I think that's enough stickers.
I'm going to put all these little dancing hearts down here. So I have some fun stickers. So if you make your handprint tree, who are you going to give it to? Are you going to give it to somebody you love?
I'm gonna give my Hug Day card to you.
Or are you going to keep it? Did you know that most Valentines, that teachers are the #1 recipients of getting Valentines, which I think is pretty cool.
This is my teacher, la maestra Beatriz.
Hola, Dora. Good afternoon, Boots.
You could put your favorite teacher's name down. You could put your favorite food. Okay, so here's my tree. Like I said, it's got some of the things that I love on it. I'm gonna keep it to remind myself of all the things that I love. So I hope you had fun making your Valentine tree that you can either keep or give to someone or share, or just sort of always to keep with you to remind you of all the things that you love. You can see all of our videos on our YouTube channel for Creations for Cures. Check in with me in March and we'll make another fun craft. Have a good day.